How to fix apps not working in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. And after that, open your settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset, and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and then here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.